is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
So every time I film, I always start in the entryway area, but I decided to start in the living room this time for you guys. So I'm gonna go through some of the things here and let you guys know why and my thoughts of why I did what I did. And as you know, my name here on YouTube is Gladys Tivere, living clutter free. That's my motto. I do not like clutter for many reasons, but one of which is for cleanliness and living minimally. So what you see on the surface is not all that's underneath. A lot of people, say they're minimal or they live clutter free because the decor looks good. But when you start opening cabinets and dressers and everything like that, you see that there's a lot of clutter. For me, I don't like that at all. So when you enter my home, my house is not that big. For the definition of having a big home in the States, it's like 2,000 square feet and up. Mine is less than that. And my living room is very narrow and very small. So the lighter it feels, the lighter colors I have, the bigger and wider it feels. So I opted out for mini white, furnitures for reasons, for that reason particularly. So my kitchen is behind me, which I will show you guys later on. But my decor it's very minimal. I do not like a lot of things to over clutter. I like when you can see the bare wall. I like the fact that it's white. I also like when you're looking at a table and you see that it's not fully crowded with so many different things. So here I have a couple of full planks that I got. One from American Furniture, which is the big one. The small one is from Ross, and then where the planks are standing in are from American Furniture. It's a set of 3. Just in case you're interested, let me go back here so you can see what's on the wall. It's actually this huge decor piece, which looks fairly small on camera. If you know my decor style, I love navy blue. I think it's a color that I can handle. It's not too strong, and I don't mind that, as you can see on my fall decor. So on the couch, I do not like a lot of pillows on the couch because obviously we do sit there, we watch TV here, and I don't want guests to feel like, hey, they cannot sit here. My couch, just in case you're interested, is from American Furniture Warehouse. As you know, I have 3 little ones, but the couch, I spray painted it with a Scotch Guard, which keeps it clean. And if there's anything, I can just clean it. Also, the covers do come off the seat cushions, so which is great. I haven't washed it, which is still looking brand new, so I'm very grateful. My 2 gold pillows, I love the fact that they're all cream and gold. It's very airy, and it's not too bulky. It fits perfectly on the on the couch, and the pillows are from Home Goods. And my throw blanket is from Family Dollar. I was trying to think between Family Dollar and Dollar Tree, which one it was. Obviously, it's not Dollar Tree, but it's from Family Dollar, and I love that particular color. It's very vibrant and very bright. And on my table here, I just have a simple greenery and a candle from Ross. Let me give you guys a close-up of it. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I love the fact that I have this simple decor on here. I opted out, instead of having a coffee table, I opted out for an ornament which we can put our legs on, and I can clean it since it's fabric. And this what is it called? Let's see. The greenery is from Ross, and then the candle is from Walmart. If I didn't mention that already. If you're interested on the tray, that is actually from Goodwill. Just want to let you guys know that I love thrifting. I'm a thrifter. I'm a bargain shopper. So most of the things you will see in my home is secondhand purchases. I feel like I can find better bargains that way, and that's how I like to take care of my home. So you won't see very pricey things in my home, so many of these things I cannot link it for you. Like my what is it called, this vase is very popular when I do videos. A lot of people ask me where it's from, and it's from Goodwill. The greenery on the in the vase are from Walmart. I have a couple of greenery mixed there together, and if I go back, when you're a little bit back this way, it looks really pretty. I love the fact that it's clean and there's nothing else. The little pumpkin is from Dollar Tree. And my navy blue chairs are quite popular here. I get lots of questions on Instagram, also on YouTube. They are from American Furniture Warehouse, where I purchase all my furnitures here in my home. And then the Love and Home pillows are from or a gift from a friend. And the striped pillows came with the couch, which I'm standing next to. So let's turn you around without making you dizzy. And my, I love this fireplace, guys. I just think it looks so pretty. This fireplace is also from American Furniture. It had like a book stand right here, like a shelf. Another one right there, which I removed. I prefer it that way. And I painted it white, this very rustic white with chalk paint. And I also filmed that, so if you're interested, the video should be in my previous video. And I love turning the fireplace on and watching TV here. Obviously the TV is off for right now, and I love that. And some small fall decorations, since we're still in fall. And next month, do come for more videos, because I will post I will do my Decorate With Me Christmas series. So let's go this way. So here I have this beautiful table, which I got from Ross. I really like it. I feel like I can turn the table this way, right? And then I can enter those, you know, like ornament the small ones for extra sittings if I want to. So I love that, because it has an opening on the table. I actually painted this. The camera is picking it up, picking it a little bit like dark and stuff. It's not even that color at all. In reality, it was all brown, and I painted it this rustic, you know, chalk paint white color. So I'm not sure why it's doing that. And I added a couple of pillows in there. I mean, a couple of candles for fall. And as you can see, I love when you can see like decor and emptiness and decor. It feels very light and airy. I don't want like decor everywhere, and I feel like it gives me anxiety. And my mirror here is from, my mirrors are from Ross, and they're this champagne gold, which is really pretty. Let's go to my kitchen, guys. So in my kitchen, guys, previously I had chairs. I opted them out to get these, what is it called? Stools. I prefer the stools that way. Like I say, my home is small. I'm trying to make it feel bigger than, you know, because it's very small. It's like an open space, and the chairs were very long, and they were like blocking when you're in the kitchen and you look, it blocks you right here. And I feel like having it this way, it's really nice. And when I clean, I don't have to worry about, you know, fixing chairs. All I have to do is just slide it down, and it's all good to go. And so this is what it looks like right here on the wall there. I added a wreath, and I'm going to totally do this for every season because I love it. It just brings so much joy and decor in the kitchen area. So that's my garage actually. Here it's just my little fruit bowl, which these bananas are super black, but that's how my husband likes it, because he makes smoothie with them. It feels like they're more, I guess, sweeter. Gross. So I don't dare throw them away, because one day I threw them away. He came home and he's like, I'm trying to make a smoothie. What happened to my banana? I was like, it was disgusting. I threw them in the trash. He's like, no, that's when they're the best. So I'm like, now these days I just don't touch it. And this is like this little vase that I got from Goodwill. This is also from Goodwill, guys. Listen, that's from Goodwill. The only thing that's not from Goodwill is actually this stool. The little flower is from Goodwill. The knife stand is from Goodwill. There's actually a little oil bottle in there from Goodwill. Guys, I know. So when you're in my kitchen, this is the visual that you see. And let's go to the entryway, guys. Okay, so behind me is my living room. And right here, prior to entering into the entryway, this is what you see. It's this huge mirror, which we love because when we get dressed to go to church or family gathering or even to go outside, we just go over here and check ourselves out just to make sure that we are looking appropriate. And here I have a couple of decor that I got from Burlington, if I'm not mistaken. And here I believe Ross, these mirrors, nothing special there. But then right here, I have these two sconces, which I get also lots of questions about. Sorry guys, my camera is shaking and we are losing light. So these sconces are actually from Goodwill. And I love them, love them, love them, love them so much because I can put candles in here and they're very simple. The mirror, it's a touch of glam, but you're going to see the table is very rustic. The mirror is from let's see, Home Goods. And my lamp, I also get questions about the lamp stand. Sorry guys if you hear any kids yelling, those are my kids upstairs playing. And here I just have a couple of books and give you guys some advice. If you want to grab some books or decor, just go to the Dollar Tree and remove the covering. I took colors that I know will go with my home. And I know that they're very big and I really like it. So they look, you know, fairly expensive, but they're just $1 each. And then the greeneries are from Ross, and then the both greeneries are from Ross, and then this what is it called, pumpkin, is from the Dollar Tree. And this is my table here, which I get questions about too. It's really cute. That's from Ross as well. And let's see, in this thing I added some curtains, steams. I really like it. I feel like it gives that touch of rustic and farmhouse, which I love. So when you're standing outside of my home, this is what it looks like. As I told you, my home is super small and I do not want to make it any smaller, so I try to put less decor. For me it's best, but you know, first sight of my home, you would never think, oh, this person is a minimalist or this home is minimal, but it's a lifestyle. It's not just decor wise. I don't believe being minimal you remove everything in your home. I don't believe that, but I actually do believe it's a lifestyle, and that's all I breathe here, and that's all I preach to my kids and any friends who will listen. I preach that to them. So I'm gonna take you guys to the coat closet and show you guys how I organized it and, you know, kept it clutter free and clean there. Let's go there. So my coat closet is very small. Currently it's not winter time, so we don't have any coats here yet, but I just keep a little rug on the ground so that if there's extra shoes for guests, we can just put them there so that the carpet doesn't get dirty. And sorry for the light, guys. And a couple of shoes that we grab immediately to go. And I got this shelf from Facebook Marketplace, the shoe shelf from Facebook Marketplace. I actually bought 2 of those. One of them is in the guest bedroom. And I just have a couple of hangers here. If your guests come over, they can hang their coat. And also in here I have a plastic bin, which I keep shoes, home shoes for guests, and socks and things like that, because we don't wear shoes in the house. And I truly ask with lots of respect, please guys, if you can please remove your shoes, I would truly appreciate it. And a lot of people understand, because I have like little kids, and the last thing I want is them picking up dog poop underneath your shoes and thinking it's food. Also by the entryway we have this bathroom. Sorry guys, the light is not too great. So in the bathroom here I keep extra what is it called, toilet paper rolls, but we ran out. And I just have some, you know, those things you get from the Dollar Tree, and it smells so good in here. And nice floral decoration. And I'm thinking of changing this mirror, but behind here you'll get this beautiful wall decor. And this is basically the color of this bathroom is this color right here, which as you can see also in here, that's the color of this bathroom basically. Beside here I just have a simple like a sink decor, which I got from Goodwill as well. And then when you look down, you see my sink with a little bit of glittery things to wash your hands wet and nothing on the ground. It's in the washing machine right now. I usually put something right here so that, you know, when the kids are washing their hand, the water can drip in there. But this is the decor I was telling you guys about, right by my toilet. I don't like showing toilets in videos. I don't know why, but you know, since this is like a whole house tour, I thought I would show you guys how I organize and keep things clean here. I have a welcome fall sign and just little greenery right there. Underneath here I have toilet bowl cleaner, but that's basically it. Thank you so much guys for watching the entire video. I truly appreciate it. If this is your very first time seeing any of my videos, my name is Gladys and I love talking about minimalism and showing you guys a clutter-free home. If you like anything like that, please click on that subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos, and please don't forget to click on that like button. It truly helps my channel grow. Thank you so much guys for coming back and watching every week. God bless you all. Bye guys.